Our organization in our academics is so paramount. We have lesson monitoring. Now we have here on camera. We monitor our lessons. What is going on? What are the teachers teaching our learners? Even the behaviors, we control them. Our main job are the learners. When parents send their learners here, those are our customers. And that's our main goal. For us, we transform people's brains. We impart knowledge here. And not only this academic knowledge, but also have the sports. We have even the vocation. We impart knowledge such that our vision and the aim and the mission of having a holistic student, we have it here.
So we have a good history when it comes to sports, in that our learners have managed to qualify for the national level. They have always participated. Even the recently concluded competitions in Toro, they participated. We have even managed to compete and qualify for the national level. Last year, we were hosting the national basketball competitions with Ndeje, and our learners managed to come third in position, and we qualified for East Africa. And so it has given our learners a lot of challenges that are faced in this life. Here at Janan, we don't just see sports as games. To us, it is beyond. We look at them as if they are a classroom, or as if they are classrooms in motion, because it is not all about running and going to the pitch and shouting. These sports are helping our learners to develop their bodies. They're helping them to sharpen their minds and also to shape their hearts, because much as we are developing learners who are very strong, they also have to come up with discipline, because you cannot participate in sports if you are not disciplined. And we all know that people who are strong and disciplined become better futures of tomorrow. So that is why we proudly say that at Janan, sports are very core and important, in that they are even timetabled. I know there are a lot of misconceptions when it comes to sports. We still have some people out there who view sports, or who look at sports as something that is done by failures, but we are here to end that misconception, because sports are very important. They are helping our learners to build their values, support their academics, and empower them to succeed in different areas of their life.
We have a variety. For example, we have music, where we train our learners how to play different musical instruments, how to sing, because we discovered they have different talents in that section. We have tailoring, that those learners that we have helped to learn fashion. They have fashion as their dream, so we help them to get. With the exposure of different machines, the modern, we believe that they can add value to them. We have another vocation, that is bakery, where we engage our students in doing a variety of cookery and bakery items, like making breads, because we believe that learners can be able to make products from home and they achieve a lot.